Question 17. 4 kg cashews, 14 kg peanuts, and 6 kg almonds were bought. Right? So that is your inventory that we'll use to calculate cost price. It's given 7 kg cashews cost the same as 30 kg peanuts or 9 kg almonds. So that is the ratio. Right? So 7C would be equal to 30P would be equal to 9A. We'll start from there. She mixes all 3 nuts and sells the price, marks a price for the mixture in order to make a profit of 1752. So the marked price will be set in a way that the profit is 1752. 4 kg of the mixture is sold this way and the remaining is sold at 20% discount. All right, sell and the sum. So let's start. So the total inventory is 4 kg cashew, 14 kg peanuts, and 6 kg almonds. Right? So 24 kg inventory. All right. So it's given that this is given, right? So to make the calculations easier, since this is a ratio, we'll assume the ratio constant to be the LCM of all of these, so it cancels out. 630 K. K is the constant. So that will give us C equal to 90K, B equal to 21K, and A equal to 70K. Right? These values, if we plug in, the inventory cost becomes, or CP, that becomes 4 times 90K plus 14 times 21K plus 6 times 70K. This turns out to be 14 to 3, 1074K. All right, so that is your cost price. Remember it. Next, we start working on the selling price. She sells 4 kg of the mixture. 4 kg of mixture, that is basically 1/6 of inventory. Right? Because 24 kg was the total stock. So this part is sold at a profit of 1752. And it's marked in such a way that the marked price would be your cost price plus the profit. So 1074K plus whatever profit she wants, 1752. If she sells at this price, then she'll make the desired profit. Okay, so this is the marked price for 1/6. For the remaining part, she offers a 20% discount. So 20% less means the price for the customer is 80% the original price. So 80% of marked price. This. So this is 4/5. So this is the remaining portion, right? So if 1/6 is sold, the remaining portion will be 5/6. Now the total sale price. add them up. Now we already had the total CP, right? Total SP, and the total profit is given. So we have everything for our equation. Our equation starts from here. SP minus CP equal to profit. So using this, we have 5/6. Right? Minus equal to 752. Let's just solving the equation now. Changing the sides. So 6 times 1074K minus 5 times 1074K will just be 1074K. And 8760 minus 4464 will give you 4296. All right, so when you divide this, you're gonna get K equal to 4. Now what do they want to know? They want to know the amount spent in buying almonds. So CP for almonds. So CP for almonds is this portion, right? So 6 into 70 into 4. That is 168C. This one is your final answer. Done.